Sometimes I feel angry, sometimes I feel upset, sometimes my body feels tight. When I feel this way, I can squeeze my stress ball to help my body feel calm. Let's practice together. Watch me first. Hold the stress ball in your hand. Squeeze it tight. 1, 2, 3. Now relax your hand. 1, 2, 3. Squeeze, relax, calm. Good job. Squeezing helps my body feel better. Now it's your turn. Adult, your turn. Squeeze tight. 1, 2, 3. Relax. 1, 2, 3. Child, I squeeze tight. 1, 2, 3. I relax. 1, 2, 3. Adult, let's do it again. Squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Relax. Child, I squeeze. 1, 2, 3. I relax. Adult, squeeze with your other hand. Squeeze tight. Now relax slowly. Child, I squeeze tight. I relax slowly. Adult, big squeeze. Hold it. Now let go. Child, big squeeze. Hold. Let go. Adult, last time, slow squeeze. 1, 2, 3. Slow relax. Child, slow squeeze. Slow relax. My body feels calm. Adult, when I feel upset, I can squeeze my stress ball. Child, when I feel upset, I can squeeze my stress ball. Adult, squeezing helps my hands relax. Squeezing helps my body feel calm. Child, squeezing helps my body feel calm.